The fourth five-year plan, 1969-1974, was the first plan launched under the leadership of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. It was introduced after a three-year plan holiday, 1966-1969, to address economic instability following previous wars and droughts. The Gardabil formula. This plan was the first to use the Gardabil formula for the allocation of central assistance to state plans, ensuring a more equitable distribution of funds. Core objectives. The plan primarily focused on two themes: growth with stability, and the progressive achievement of self-reliance. Agricultural self-sufficiency, aimed at reducing dependence on foreign food aid by boosting domestic production. Reducing wealth concentration, intended to correct the trend of increased economic power in few hands. Social justice, emphasized poverty alleviation and improving conditions for underprivileged sections. Key events and achievements. Nationalization of banks, 1969, 14 major commercial banks were nationalized to promote financial inclusion and rural credit. Green Revolution. This period saw the stabilization of the Green Revolution, leading to food grain production surpassing 100 million tons for the first time. Smiling Buddha, 1974, India conducted its first underground nuclear test at Pokhran at the end of this plan period. Operation Flood, 1970, launched to increase milk production and create a national milk grid. White Revolution. Garibi Hatao, 1971, Indira Gandhi introduced the famous "Abolish Poverty" slogan during this era. Drought-Prone Area Program, DPAP, launched to help regions vulnerable to low rainfall. Challenges and performance. The plan is considered a failure as it did not meet its economic targets due to several external shocks. Indo-Pak War, 1971, the conflict and the subsequent Bangladesh Liberation War diverted funds from industrial development to the war effort. Refugee crisis. The influx of millions of refugees from East Pakistan strained the national budget. 1973 oil crisis. A global spike in oil prices led to high inflation and disrupted cost calculations. Growth rate. The target growth rate was 5.6% minus 5.7%, but the actual achieved rate was only 3.3%. Monopolies and Restrictive Trade Practices, MRTP, Act, 1969, enacted to prevent the concentration of economic power in the hands of a few business houses. Abolition of privy purses. Payments made to former rulers of princely states were stopped to redirect funds toward public welfare. 4. Major agricultural and scientific milestones. Green Revolution Phase 2. The high-yielding variety, HYV, seeds were expanded, making India self-sufficient in food grains. Operation Flood, 1970, launched the White Revolution to modernize milk production and distribution. Nuclear ambitions. Towards the end of the plan, May 1974, India conducted its first nuclear test, Smiling Buddha, at Pokhran. Space Agency. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, was established during this period, 1969.